Good morning, everyone. So we're post-Thanksgiving caravan. I didn't do a caravan last Thursday, obviously because of Thanksgiving. We got 3 houses today. This is 33 Enmore Street. We're in Andover. It is a 3-bed, 1.5 bath home, 1,400 square feet. Sits on 0.13 acres. It is listed for $685. It's in really good condition, and for that price, it should go pretty quick. It does have that 1-car garage off to the side that you can see. It's a little bit small and tight, but it is easily going to fit a car and then some. It's got some storage on the side. Beautiful home. The kitchen's been completely renovated. Bathrooms are in great condition. This is going to be a quick sale. I don't see this one making it more than a week. All right, so we've got our second home today. This is 24 York Street, also in Andover, listed for $799,900, so basically $800,000. This is a 4-bed, 1.5 bath, 2,000 square foot home. About 200 square feet is in the finished basement. Needs a little bit of love in the basement, I'll be honest, but it is finished and it's a space that you could do something with. Beautiful old home. I believe York Street homes were built in the 1930s or 1940s. Fieldstone foundation. A lot of the original woodwork is still intact in the house, but they have updated the kitchen, they've updated the bathrooms, did a couple of 3-season porches, one off the front, one off the back. Let me take you around back. So we got a nice little backyard, small slope for little kids to go sledding on when the snow comes. I wouldn't call this snow just yet. Nice retaining wall, great little patio up top there, nice deck off the back. A little bit of a storage shed. I believe it's, 0.16 acres. I think the other house is 0.13, so, you know, smaller lots, but really nice neighborhoods. All right, so we got our third and final property today on Caravan. This is 6 Candida Way. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. It's also in Andover, listed for $1.35 million. It is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 3,028 square feet, sitting on 1.02 acres. It's got a 2-car garage, heats through propane. I believe this one is also on private sewer, so you have a Title V leaching field.